Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 14.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Andover, Oregon, 23 miles north of Sharpsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Portland, Edinburgh, Girard, Kingwood Springs, Kingsman, Albion, Andover, Langsville, Vienna Center, Adamsville, Pymatuning Central, Harmonsburg, Pymatuning North, Atlantic, Northwest Harbor Creek, and Vienna. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. in Pennsylvania, Crawford, and Erie.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Andover, Oregon, 23 miles north of Sharpsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Erie, Warren, Meadville, Condion, Portland, Edinburgh, Girard, Kingsbridge Springs, Kingsman, Albion, Andover, Langsville, Vienna Center, Adamsville, Pymatuning Central, Harmonsburg, Pymatuning North, Atlantic, Northwest Harbor Creek, and Vienna. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashtabula and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Crawford and Erie.